Hi there, it's Jason Cheese, sales representative with the Price Real Estate team at Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty here in London. We're looking back at March 2020 and the numbers that happened, and let me tell you, they were fantastic for London. They were on par with a really amazing sales year in 2017. And then we had a little bit of a blip coming towards the end of March, and it's nothing to take lightly, the outbreak of COVID-19, that's for sure. But we definitely saw the market slow down a touch coming to the end of March, especially with the shutdown at the end of March. Now, real estate is deemed an essential service, so people can still purchase and sell homes. We've just had to flex the way that we've done that. We've pivoted a little bit. We're trying to do a lot more virtually with virtual showings and keep try to minimize the amount of people going through homes and the amount of contact that we have. But I know March isn't really what people want to talk about right now. They want to talk about what's been going on the last couple of weeks. So what I want to do is I want to just give you an idea of what's happened with the sold properties comparing April 2020 to April 2019. And if we look back at the first week of April, so March 30th to April 6th of 2019, there were 166 homes sold, as compared to this year where we had 118 homes sold. From April 6th to the 13th last year, we had 193 homes sold. This year, 81 homes sold. And then April 13th to the 20th this year, 140 homes sold, for 2019. And this year we had 90 homes sold. So the difference in just that 3-week period is 210 less homes sold this year than last year, which is fully understandable. There's a lot of buyers that were ready to buy that have decided to pump the brakes and just kind of wait and heed advice from people, whether it be for economics, they don't know their job certainty, the income end of it, or perhaps they're just worried about the spread and they're staying home. So we've seen the buyers slow down a little bit there. We've also seen some sellers also pump the brakes. Myself, thinking about selling at this time. We've got both our kids home full time right now and trying to keep a house in showing shape with the kids in 24/7. Very difficult to do. Not to say it's impossible. It's definitely a lot of work. And although I guess we would have the time to maybe do a little extra cleaning right now, but then also having to remove people from the house and worry about that spread as well. So there's people also sitting on that side of the fence as well. There is going to be time to sell in the future. And even though we've seen this drop in sales, it's not a massive disappearance of business. We are going to see this work its way back around. We just aren't sure how long until we see these numbers pick up again. Is it going to be later this spring? Is it going to be early in the summer? Will it be a little further outside of that? Come back. I will update you on what's going on in a couple of weeks again, because it's hard to give you a week by week change. But at least with a couple of weeks, we can see a little bit more as far as the numbers go. So I will do my best to start putting these out a little bit more often now. And if you want to reach out and ask any questions that you have about this at this time, you can do so. 519-663-9411. You can email us info@pricerealestateteam.com. You can check out our website, pricerealestateteam.com as well, and we'd love to hear from you.